Stop right there. If you've been texting her constantly, planning elaborate dates, or reshaping your entire life around getting her attention, you're doing the complete opposite of what actually works. What I'm about to reveal will feel counterintuitive, maybe even uncomfortable, but it's rooted in ancient Stoic wisdom that's been turning the tables on attraction for over 2,000 years. The men who understand this principle never chase. And ironically, they're never alone. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why the moment you stop chasing is the exact moment everything changes. It's about becoming complete within yourself, so complete that you naturally attract the right people into your orbit. So grab a notebook, because what you're about to learn has the power to change not just how women see you, but how you see yourself. Let's begin. 1. Stop trying too hard. Most men lose before they even start. Why? Because they try too hard. They become too available, too desperate, too emotional, too predictable. They think, if I give more attention, she'll love me. But reality says, the more you give, the less she respects. Stoic men understand. Attraction grows in space, not in pressure. When you stop chasing, she starts noticing. When you stop begging, she starts wondering. When you stop explaining, she starts valuing. Remember, you are not applying for a job. You are offering presence. And presence has value. 2. Build a life she wants to join. High-value men don't chase women. They chase purpose. They focus on career, fitness, discipline, skills, confidence, self-growth. And women naturally say, his life looks exciting. I want to be part of it. If your life is empty, you'll cling to her. If your life is full, she'll fit into it. Stoicism teaches, build yourself first. Everything else follows. Become so busy improving that she has to book time in your schedule. 3. Master your emotions. Weak men are controlled by emotions. Strong men control emotions. She replies late, you panic. She ignores, you overthink. She talks to another guy, you explode. That's emotional weakness. Stoic men think, whatever happens, I remain calm. Calmness is attractive. Silence is powerful. Confidence is quiet. When she sees, you don't beg, you don't fight, you don't complain, you don't beg for validation. She feels safe. She feels curious. She feels drawn. Control your emotions, or they will control you. 4. Prioritize self-respect. Let me be honest. No woman respects a man who disrespects himself. If you accept disrespect, mixed signals, being ignored, being used, you teach her, I'm low value. Stoic rule. Never trade dignity for attention. If she crosses boundaries, you step back. If she plays games, you walk away. If she disrespects, you leave silently. And suddenly, she realizes what she lost. Self-respect creates attraction. Desperation destroys it. 5. Detach from outcomes. The ultimate Stoic secret. This is where most men fail. Not because they are weak, but because they are too emotionally attached. They think, What if she leaves? What if she doesn't like me? What if I lose her? What if I'm not enough? So they start begging, explaining, overgiving, overtexting, overloving, and slowly, they lose themselves. Stoicism teaches something different. Control what you can. Release what you can't. You can control your character, your mindset, your discipline, your growth, your behavior. You cannot control her feelings, her choices, her loyalty, her emotions. So why destroy your peace for something you don't control? Detached men are dangerous. Not rude, not careless, not heartless, just peaceful. They think, if she stays, I'm grateful. If she leaves, I'm still complete. And that mindset creates attraction automatically because she feels he doesn't need me, but he still chooses me. That is power. That is confidence. That is Stoicism. Conclusion. Let's summarize everything. Winning a woman without chasing is not about tricks. It's about becoming a man she can't ignore. Remember, stop trying too hard. Build a life with purpose. Control your emotions. Protect your self-respect. Detach from results. Do this, and you'll notice something strange. You'll stop worrying. You'll stop begging. You'll stop overthinking. You'll start attracting. Because real attraction is a side effect of self-mastery, not desperation, not manipulation, not fake confidence, but real inner strength. When you respect yourself, the world respects you. When you value your time, others value it too. When you walk with dignity, people feel it, even without words. Before you leave, listen to this carefully. You were not born to chase attention. You were born to build greatness. You were not made to beg for love. You were made to deserve it. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, you level up. Every time you choose self-respect over loneliness, you become stronger. Every time you walk away from disrespect, you win, even if nobody claps. So, from today, stop chasing people. Start chasing purpose. Stop begging for love. Start building value. And watch how people begin chasing you. If this video helped you, like it, share it with a brother who needs this. And don't forget, next powerful video is waiting for you. Stay strong. Stay focused. Stay stoic.